Really, everything is leaked about Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, including details, images, and offering a complete look at what Samsung plans to showcase at Unpacked. Renowned leaker Roland Quant, known for his consistent accuracy, has posted several images of both upcoming foldables on Bluesky. These appear to be official promotional renders. While the visuals mostly align with previous leaks, they offer additional confirmation that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 won't feature an under-display camera instead. A punch hole cutout is clearly visible. The device is shown in 3 colors: silver shadow, jet black, and blue shadow. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is depicted in coral, red, jet black, and blue shadow. Some technical specifications are also noted in the images. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is said to feature a 200-megapixel main camera, a significantly faster processor, though unnamed. It's likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, and a 4,400 mAh battery, claimed to support up to 24 hours of video playback. For the Galaxy Z Flip 7, the images indicate a 50-megapixel main camera and a display capable of hitting 2,600 nits of peak brightness specs that match the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Interestingly, one of the visuals also references a 4,300 mAh battery, an increase from the 4,000 mAh unit in the current model, which reportedly delivers up to 31 hours of video playback. We now have our first official hands-on glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. A user on X, formerly Twitter, named Amir, has posted images of the device. He captioned them, "Here's a complete look at the Galaxy Z Fold 7 dummy unit. The phone's impressively slim and modern design is already being compared to other models. Take a look at the photos for yourself." Another clip shared on X reveals the Galaxy Z Flip 7, focusing on its larger covered display. Compared to the Flip 6, the Flip 7's outer panel is visibly bigger, extending across more of the top half of the device. The screen appears to offer sharper viewing angles, showing an improvement over the previous generation. Additionally, the user interface for the cover screen has been refined, offering a more polished experience than before. Reliable leaker Steve H. McFly has also shared details regarding when these devices will become available. As per the tipster, pre-orders are set to open the same day at 3 p.m., with shipments beginning on the 25th of July. This timeline challenges an early report that suggested a launch in August. There is also speculation that Samsung may offer a preview of its long-awaited trifold device during the event, though its full release is still expected in October. With multiple product announcements and the Fold 7 expected to compete with the lean foldables of 2025, we've discovered the official cases for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung is introducing 5 different case types in a variety of colors, including a unique one made from carbon fiber, and yes, we've got the images. Here are the confirmed cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Silicone case, clear grip case, clear magnet case, carbon shield case. What's missing, however, is an S Pen compatible case. We haven't seen one yet. That doesn't mean it won't arrive, but rumors suggest the Fold 7 might not support the S Pen at all. Fold 7 silicone case. The silicone case is available in black, blue, and gray, likely matching the Fold 7's color variants. While this is the most basic case in Samsung's lineup, it includes a built-in kickstand. Samsung is pricing it at around 69 euros. Fold 7 clear case. If you prefer a clean, minimal look while still showing off your Fold 7, the clear case is ideal. It offers solid protection while keeping the phone's updated design fully visible through its transparent material. Fold 7 clear grip case. There's the clear grip case for those who want transparency with a little added functionality. It's nearly identical to the clear case but includes a retractable finger loop for a better grip. The loop isn't transparent, it's white. Fold 7 clear magnet case. Although the Galaxy Fold 7 supports Qi 2 wireless charging, it doesn't have built-in magnets. To help align your wireless charger correctly, Samsung offers the clear magnet case. It's transparent and includes a magnet positioned precisely for proper attachment to chargers. Fold 7 carbon shield case. There's the carbon shield case, made from carbon fiber. It's a slim, minimal option that appears to only protect the back of the phone. It comes exclusively in black, with the distinct carbon fiber pattern clearly visible. Here we have the first official live images of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Tipster Jukum Lozreev has shared live hands-on images of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. showcasing the device in its signature blue finish. The phone looks striking, and the photos highlight both the front and back of the device. Interestingly, the crease appears to be masked by a matte protective layer. In the first image, we see the rear side of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Just as the earlier render suggested, Samsung has moved away from the prominent camera rings found on the previous generation. The design now reflects the style seen on the Fold 5 and S24 Ultra. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.